In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact page on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a polished page with a built-in form so customers can reach you quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and head to shopify.com. From the homepage, select Log In. Sign in using your preferred method. If you manage more than one store, make sure you're entering the admin for the store where you want the contact page created. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Online Store. This is where all of your storefront content lives, including themes, pages, and navigation. Under Online Store, select Pages. This takes you to a list of all the pages on your site, like About and FAQ, and it's where we'll create the new one, Click Add page. You'll land on a blank page editor. In the title field at the top, type Contact or Contact Us. Keep it short and clear so customers instantly recognize what it is, and so your menus look tidy later. Beneath the title is the content area. Here, add a brief, friendly message that sets expectations, such as when your team is available, typical response times, and any details customers might need before reaching out. You can also include links to helpful resources like shipping policies or return information. The goal is to guide visitors and reduce back and forth while still inviting them to contact you. Now, look to the right side of the page editor for Theme Template, open the drop-down and choose Contact. This template is important because it tells your theme to display Shopify's built-in contact form on this page. The form typically includes fields for name, email, and message, and it routes submissions to your store's contact email set in your admin settings. Choosing the contact template ensures your page isn't just text, it's functional. With your title set, your content added, and the contact template selected, go ahead and click Save at the top. Saving creates the page and applies the template so it's ready to use. If your theme supports it, you can preview the page right away to make sure the text reads well and the form appears as expected. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to your pages, created a new page, labeled it clearly, added helpful information, assigned the contact template, and saved your work. Your store now has a dedicated place for customers to reach you, which improves trust and makes support smoother. Thanks for watching and great job getting your contact page set up.